Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Good morning. I really hate that I have to record with my lashes looking like this. I think it's been like almost 4 weeks. Like, it's so bad. I haven't booked yet because excuse me, back to my lashes. I know I haven't booked yet because I know that I have to go in for a full set, and we're balling on a budget right now. So honestly, they don't look that bad. They look okay. Anyhow, welcome. For those that do know and don't know, my name is Esther. I am a 19-year-old college student. I currently am taking summer classes. Okay, it is currently Monday, July 11th, 10:24. So now I'm going to be headed to the gym. Just got some biker shorts, this black top. Yes, I slept in this, but it's just gonna be a cover up. I just got back from the gym. My mom called me and she was like, hey, be at the sushi spot at this time. Now I am going to be headed to the sushi spot to meet with my parents. So I will see you guys when I just got to the sushi spot. It's like 7 minutes from my apartment, and that's my mom and dad right there. So let's go inside. So I just got done eating with my mom and dad. It was nice to catch up with them. I didn't record much while I was inside. Now let's head to the car wash first, because my car is a hot mess. It's just a hot mess.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly hot like a sauna.
I literally broke a sweat because it's so hot outside. But let me show you what she looks like now.
Bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga tryna win about the cabbage. Kill his whole family if you run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Fuck his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. Watch out, I don't know if he'll talk.
Hey guys, it is currently 3:39. After the car wash, I went to Walmart. I grabbed a case of water. Now I'm back. I've been chilling for a little. My battery pack has been a little wonky, so I had it charging for a minute. And I'm probably gonna get some work done for my summer classes. So So I just got done with most of my work that needs to be done tonight. I have a little bit left of my essay. Then I have some Spanish work that is due not until Wednesday. I'm gonna go hop in the shower now, and I will see you guys when I get my hair. Feels so fresh. Oh my gosh. We did use some purple shampoo. I used purple shampoo because my hair was getting a little brassy because of the pool water. I feel like I haven't had my hair down in a few days. So we're gonna let her air dry, and then I'm gonna probably curl my hair. Me and a side part? Esther with a side part? Let's see. I honestly have nothing else to do for the day except finish my work for my class. I don't know if I'm gonna do that now, or let's see what time it is. Okay, it is currently 7:05. I doubt you can see that. I'm probably gonna go downstairs and make some food. I don't know what I want to eat. I'm probably just gonna go downstairs now and make my food. I don't want to eat too late. Let's go downstairs and get some food. Let's make some ramen. Y'all, this ramen is smelling too good. I am back in my room. My hair, it's pretty much air dried now.
Trust in me, baby. I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Hey, oh, boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you. And then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around. And even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
So, what do we think? I just got done curling my hair. Yes, I love when my hair is curled. I just hate when they don't last. It's all cooled down now, so I'll just take my fingers and just run them through the curls. So now that my hair is done, I'm probably gonna go finish my essay for my class, even though I'm dreading finishing this essay. But we're gonna get it done because we're scholars. Yeah, we're scholars. I'm gonna go finish that essay and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, I am finally done with my essay. I had to watch this play and everything. It was a lot. But now it is almost midnight. It says it's 11:58. I cannot wait to make more content for you guys because it's so much in store. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to share. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.